Hi friends, let me show you this new car seat that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful. You put it in the passenger seat and you can bring your pet with you in this kind of hammock or seat. You can use this bag to put anything that you have to bring with you, like bags for your dogs or whatever. And you have this nice carpet to put your pets. Okay, let's try it. This is really easy to use. You just have to put this part inside of the car seat, on the passenger's seat. You could even do something like this, so it will hold firmly. Okay. This one goes up here. Okay. And you have this bottom cushion for your pet. And this one goes all the way to the back of the seat. Let me do it. Perfect. So now your pets are happy driving with you. Ven, Milon. Ven. And you can leash them to the seat with this leash so they don't jump away from the car. If you stop in a gas station or whatever, you can bring here their stuff if you want in this bag, and they will be comfortable riding with you wherever you want to go with your pet, comfortable, and of course you are going to protect your car seat. So it's a perfect option if you like to go with your pet anywhere and your pet is as happy as Milo in his seat. Perfect.